Okay, so now they give us a challenge here. They give us some expressions, algebraic expressions. We have to list the constants and the variables. Okay, so the first one, x plus 5. Okay, the constant, 5. That's not changing. 5 is a 5. The variable, x. Now, you might say, well, what about the addition sign? That's the operation, right? It's x plus 5. All right, let's go to the next one. It's a little bit trickier. Well, what's the variable? R, right? All right, now what is constant? And this might be a little bit tricky, but the 4/3 and the pi, we know pi has a value, right? So 4/3 pi, that's a number. That's a value. It is not a variable. You can put that in your calculator. It's going to spit out a number, 4/3 pi. Okay. Now, what about this little 3 up here? Now, you're probably asking about that. Well, that's an exponent. It indicates an operation. It means r times r times r, right? So, granted, the 3 isn't changing, but it's not really, we won't put it in there as a constant. It's affecting, it's really a function is what it is, but I don't want to get into that in this section. It's telling you to do something with that r. Okay, just like addition said, hey, do something with the x and the 5. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. The next part, well, what is a constant? The 2, right? That has a value of 2, period. What are the variables? M and n. There are 2 variables going on there. The exponents, they say to do something, m times m times m. And then the n is n times n. You could write that as 2m, m, n, n, right? Like we don't write it that way because it's long, but you could. Now what about the square root? Again, that's like an operation. It's a function, but you're taking the square root of something. Okay, so that's our little chart on that one. Don't worry about it too much. As we work more with these, you'll get it.